So RC planes are notoriously difficult to fly. And often people start the hobby, fly, crash, and then give up because it's so difficult. So I've got myself this dirt cheap plane. And this one's got a 6-axis gyro, so it should be idiot proof. Perfect for me. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna take it out for a little blast, and we're gonna see if we can get it back in one bit. So in the box you get the plane, controller, battery, charger, toolkit, spare propeller, which by the way, this just clips on and off. So when you crash it just clips off and then you can clip it back on and you get the instructions. But you do have to supply your own AA batteries. So to charge up the battery, you plug that into there and the other end into a USB port. So the controls on the radio are exactly the same as when you get a big. So perfect for learning because you're going to get to know what they all do. And then later on when you get better, it's all going to be the same. So up here, we've got the expert switch. When you have it in expert position, all the gyros are off. Or you can have it in middle, or you can have it in beginner where you've got the full gyros. Basically, what the gyros do is it levels it out automatically. On this side, we've got an aerobatics button. So basically, when you got it into beginner mode, you hit this, and then whichever way you bank the aircraft, it's going to do a flip or a roll. Well, that's what it says in the instruction book anyway. And also, it's got a 1-key U-turn. So if you want to see that, just pause the video there. But anyway, don't listen to me because I'm a noob. So there we go. In beginner mode, can you see that? The flaps are moving on their own. So saying a bit of gust of wind comes and it blows it over, the gyros are naturally going to put it back. For a small plane, it feels like it's got quite a lot of power. Alright, enough waffle, let's go play. Guys, it's a bit too windy, but we've just driven all the way out here to test the speed car. But we blew the tyres off like straight away, so I would normally abort and not fly it here. But we've got to do something, don't we?
We have.
I can't fly planes neither.
Don't you?
Nah.
But you can fly a helicopter doing all that TikTok rubbish.
Yeah.
And you can't fly a plane.
Alright, we're in beginner mode.
Oh.
Well, that's beginner mode. That's actually, it just goes in a straight line for you. That's hands off. Right, ready for start mode? Oh, beginner mode back on.
Right.
On beginner mode, it's quite easy in this wind, but in stunt mode, in expert mode, I can't do it. So we're going to try that a different day. Oh, right, that's flat out now. That's flat out into the wind.
Come on, expert mode then.
Expert mode, humble.
Intermediate.
Right, intermediate. Whoa. It's a lot more lively in this mode.
Yeah.
I don't think it will let me loop. Should I try loop?
Go for it.
Oh, it will. Oh, wicked.
I'm having trouble keeping up with it.
That's the power completely off. That's the wind holding it.
Is it?
Humble, wumble. Don't need them. Oh. You sure don't want to go?
No.
Have a go anyway. Oh dear. Ready's go, ready? Don't lose it. But you might want to come down again. Yeah. Turn the power down. Just leave. Don't lose it in the tree. Oh, Winnie's got it. Have you ever flown a plane before?
No.
Do you want to put it on full beginner mode?
Huh? No, that's all right actually.
Get him, never flown a plane before. Oh, I'm still going.
That landed.
That's better landing than mine. Oh look, found some keys. Oh, where's he going? Oh, do a loop. Is that intentional, all that? Is that all skills? Still alive.
Alright, Kev, go. Don't lose it like I nearly did.
I'm surprised how long it actually flies for.
Come on, do some stunts like I did. Tight little loops, aren't they? It's what?
Proper easy.
That's
Meow.
so cool though.
Oh, nearly.
Good bounce. Ah. No. Oh.
That was flat out into the floor.
It's titchy as well, isn't it?
I'll try it again, expert mode when it's not windy. Trying to hover it right in front of the camera. But I haven't got the skills.
Oh, in the ditch.
Yes, all right.
Don't slip, because this could be funny.
We're good.
Come on, slip. All in.
That's proper windy now. I'm kind of keeping it in the vicinity, aren't I?
Because of the wind. Come closer.
Like that.
Top Gun style.
Whoa! So overall, guys, over the moon with this. I mean, this was so easy to fly, especially in beginner mode. In intermediate mode, it let us do loops. It wouldn't let us do rolls. I didn't try the button. Expert mode, it was just too windy for it. Either that or I haven't got the skills for it. Probably the later. Flight time-wise, we had 2 6-minute video clips. And yeah, a lot of that was crashing. So, and it's still got battery power in it, actually. We didn't run it out. So it probably is going to fly for, I'm guessing, over 10 minutes easy. So Vinny's first time flying a plane, he could kind of fly it, and it's had lots of crashes, and it still looks perfect. And I think it's probably because the prop just sort of flicks off and you can just clip it back on again. So for a beginner plane, I would say this is probably pretty much perfect. And also, it's so small, you're unlikely to really hurt anybody with it. But anyway, don't bother listening to me. I'm a noob. I've got no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, I will see you over in one of these videos here, and there's going to be a link to where you can get one of those from down below.